Hey guys, and welcome back to another Technology Guru video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can live stream on Facebook. So live video is all the rage now, and everyone's trying to get in the game, whether it started with Periscope and then Meerkat and then Facebook live video, and YouTube's going to have something very soon. So this is how you live stream via the Facebook app. So normally when you go in and update your status, where it says what's on your mind, you click there on your mobile device, and then you're going to see a new option underneath photo video that says live video. It's got a little person there, a little silhouette with some red circles above it. Click on the live video option there, and then what it's going to do is going to ask you to describe your live video. So as you can see here, I'm live videoing. As you can see here, you can see my monitors, all that good stuff here. It's going to open up your camera, and then what you're going to do is type in whatever you want the video to be called. You can even tag people in this title if you want to. And the next thing you need to do is decide who's going to be able to see the video. So click on the little button there underneath the title that says public, the little gray icon. Click on that, and then you're going to be able to choose between public, friends, all of your friends except a certain person or people, and then only me. So we'll go ahead and do only me right now for the specifics of this tutorial. Or you can click the more option there to bring up some more options as far as like if you want to broadcast to certain groups or friends or pages or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and go to the option there that says only me. So we'll do that. And then once we do that, we'll go ahead and click the blue go live button. It'll count down 3, 2, 1. And then once it is ready, you'll see the live button up there. It will count up and it'll continue to let you know how long you've been live. You can always switch the cameras by clicking the little camera rotation arrows in the upper right-hand corner of that screen, or if you want to edit the video, there is a little magic wand tool in the upper left side of the screen. Click on that and you can actually apply filters to your live video, and you can even go down there and add color overlays if you want to, all with the little magic wand tool. You can click on the live option there in the center of the screen, and then it will show you the amount of time that you've been live, and then obviously down below that where it says comments will appear here. If people are watching you and they're wanting to comment, they can comment on your live video there. So once you're done, click the finish button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. It will then say ending live video. It will then archive that video. As you can see here, I can press the play button and play that video back as you just saw. And you can actually publish that, add it to your camera roll, whatever you want to do. So I am actually going to go ahead and go and click the done button there. So that's how you go live on Facebook. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it if you guys would slap that like button, share this video with your friends and family. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one.